Whenever you are trying to set up GradeSync from your Canvas course to Skyward, there are a few settings you will need to first set. So I'll start here in my Canvas course on my homepage, and I will begin by going to my assignments. So I will click on Assignments on the left navigation menu, and then I will need to create two groups for each of the assignment types in Skyward. So when you're putting assignments into Skyward, there are two categories you can set the assignments, either a daily grade or a test grade. And those are the two groups we will use in Canvas. So from my assignments page, I will click Add a New Group, and I will spell out my first group in all caps for daily. Notice I typed DLY because that is the group name in Skyward. So once I've added that group, I will click Save, and then any of the assignments I want to mark as a daily grade will be set to the DLY assignment group. The second assignment group we have in Skyward is Test. So I will go ahead and click the Add New Group again, and this time I will type Test, T-E-S-T, for my category of test grades, and then Save. So now any assignment that I want to populate Skyward as a test grade, I will set as a test assignment group. So once I have my two assignment groups, the next thing I would need to do is tell Canvas exactly which assignments I would want to send to Skyward. For example, if I wanted to set this Review 1 Calculating Area and Perimeter assignment to sync to Skyward, I would open the assignment and edit the settings of the assignment. The first setting I would need to edit under the Rich Content Editor is my assignment group. If this assignment was a daily assignment, I would select daily, or if I wanted it to sync as a test, I would select test. For this example, it is a daily, so I would go ahead and have my assignment group as DLY. And then the next thing I would need to set is how I would want the assignment graded. So for display grade as, I would do percentage, and then I can determine if I want it to count towards the final grade or not, the submission type and all of that. But the most important part to tell it to sync to Skyward is sync to SIS. So I need to make sure I check the box to include this assignment's grades when syncing to our school's student information system. This checkbox basically says this assignment can sync to Skyward. So once I have set my assignment group as daily or test and checked my sync to SIS button, I would click Save. And now this assignment is ready to sync to Skyward. So once my students have completed the Review 1 Calculating Area and Perimeter assignment, I would need to head to my Canvas grades. So I'm now going to select grades in the left navigation menu. And all my grades would populate here in my Canvas gradebook. But I need to tell Canvas exactly which assignments I want to go to Skyward. So to do that, from my gradebook, I would click on Actions and then Sync to SIS. And then all of the assignments that I have stated to sync to SIS would appear here. I would check the assignment I would want to sync and click Post Grades. Since this course is not linked to Skyward, I'm not able to actually click that Post Grades, but you should be able to click on the assignment, then select Post Grades.